In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove files from Grok Imagine. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to find the files you no longer need, and how to delete them confidently and cleanly. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, since you can only remove files that belong to the workspace you're currently using. Once your dashboard loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click the profile icon. This opens your account area and gives you access to your personal settings and content. From there, choose Files. This is your central library where all of your uploaded or generated items are listed. If you have a lot of content, it's worth taking a moment to make sure you're targeting the right file before you remove anything. To help with that, use the filter or sort option visible on the Files page. Filtering narrows the list to matching items, while sorting changes the order so you can quickly surface what you need. For example, you might sort by most recent if you just uploaded something, or filter by a file type or name fragment to find a specific asset. This step is all about precision, so you don't remove the wrong thing. Once you've located the file you want to remove, look for the delete file icon next to it. This is typically represented by a small trash can and appears alongside each file entry. Click that delete icon for the file you intend to remove. Take a second to verify the file name and any identifying details in the row so you're certain you've picked the correct item. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to proceed. Click Delete to finalize. This confirmation is your safeguard against accidental removals, so only continue when you're sure. After you confirm, the file will be removed from your files library and will no longer appear in your filtered or sorted list. If you still see it momentarily, give the page a quick refresh. It should disappear once the change syncs. That's the full process. Go to grok.com, open your profile area, enter files, use filter or sort to pinpoint the exact item, click the delete file icon beside it, and confirm by selecting delete. As a final tip, take advantage of filtering and sorting before you remove anything, especially in large libraries. It saves time and helps you stay organized while preventing mistakes. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to keep your Grok Imagine files tidy and up to date.